Good morning again from Arkansas. This is Highway 67. We are at 3635 Highway 67 in Hope, Arkansas. Guernsey is the next of kin town over from us. Last night we saw an armadillo right here, and then the armadillo was walking that way to the green box spot over there. And hey Bentley, get over here. But last night it got extremely cold. It is really cold and crisp, and the wind is just cutting right through my soul right now. I don't know, this place is bipolar. Maybe that explains some things. Cheers to bipolar places, I guess. Just having breakfast at a grandma's house. Got some, it's been like every morning. Taking care of us. Pretty nice. We're gonna go see Jacob today.
Oh, it's on the stove.
We reminisced about my mom yesterday over at our friend Debbie and Ben's house. A lot of good memories.
The story about the toilets was funny.
Mm-hmm.
The scrumptious toilets.
Yeah.
Yeah, she just mispronounced it, and that's the way it came out.
Yeah, that's funny.
It was.
Salt. Yeah. Just a good old country field out there. So this is our back property. This right here was our propane. We used to ride it like a dinosaur or whatever, and it's pretty cool. We used to have badminton out here. We used to play. There used to be woods all along here, but they cut it back to the tree line, and then there's a fence back there, and then back there, all the way back, and then there's a pond back there as well. And this over here, where that shed is, was my grandpa's property. He had married the lady that lived next door. And anyway, so lush and green. It's always like this here actually too, but they've had a lot more rain recently, and so you can see the flooding. I don't remember it ever been this wet, to be honest, but it is. outside, right behind my grandma's house here. You can tell it's flooded over there too. Little back porch area. This is her sewing room right here on the corner of the house, right there. This is where we've been eating breakfast back here. Yeah, every morning. Gonna miss this place, but I would never move back. Visit family, sure, but home is California now, and that's all right. Play and play. My dad's trailer right there inside the shop, and that's the big old doors that open. Did all kinds of work in here. Stairs. Said the stairs were actually tiled from tile that was used in Pizza Hut, I guess. Last night there was an armadillo right here, and he just kind of moseyed that way because we have a light so you could see. And he went somewhere over there. He probably lives in that little green shed over there. I don't know. Who knows? But everything's kind of moved out already. No longer really feels homey in here. But it's got a whole bunch of stuff here. Even found a Hearst Castle thing here. That's actually pretty cool. But I got a few things. Got this wonderful, what is it, tapestry or something like that? But it is so cool. The colors are blue. It looks like the Tree of Life, kind of. Let's see if I can unfold this thing here. That's really cool. Okay. And there you go. It looks like that. Give me that one, and then this little fruit basket one here with a lot of different stuff. Pictures of me, my dad, my uncle, my grandma, and then a few other things, old pictures and whatnot, some leftover stuff, and ice cream machine. I don't know how we're gonna get all this back home, to be honest, but we're definitely gonna try. The livestock thing always is going really. I mean, it's throughout the week, usually during like business hours and stuff. But sometimes I'll do night stuff. No worries. Hope 10,095, and that's not right anymore. It's only like 8,000 something. All these places are abandoned, and this one's been abandoned since even before I left. That van right there.
Jerry Garrett. It was an insurance, so it might be like Garrett Insurance is up here.
Yeah. But I was saying that van that we just passed by, which you probably didn't see, but it has been there as long as I can even remember. It's still there. It's just weird how nothing really changes.
Like abandoned houses.
Mm-hmm. I need to like spread this out so I can see better. I like getting it wide angle like this because you can get the sky, trees. What?
It says need. I think it should say need dinner. We got you covered. It's like need dinner.
Bill Clinton's birth house or whatever. I've hung out under this bridge multiple times. I had a house that was right here, second house on the left there. That's the only house, which actually. Oh, there's a little Caesars right there. I think that was there though before when I left.
Breadsticks? Yeah, we got breadsticks at home still.
Yeah, it's true. And we have pizza still. The pizza was good. You know, it was good. It was different, but it's just done different. That's the errands I used to work for right there. And Stage, which is not even there anymore. That's not been there for. It was gone whenever I was. Whenever I left.
4 messages.
Superwoman. We should go see what the Martin's is still a thing? What? Martin's is still a thing. Wow. That's gnarly. Hogwash laundry. Everything's Razorbacks around here. This is where the we used to go to the bowling alley. The bowling alley was real big, but someone burnt it down. Stupid. And never came back, I guess. And Aaron's was right here, and that place, that rent-to-own place I told you I worked for. This used to be Walmart right here. And Waffle House, always been there. Taco Bell, it's always been there. Cruises was there. Nothing's changed really. It's the same McDonald's, and we have Walgreens, which is the same. I mean, Walgreens might have been new. Burger King's been in the same spot, but it's a new building. You got that car place. It's gonna be on the left of when we passed over their overpass. Superstation. That was the place to go. And then this is new though. The Chicken Express. Don't even know what that is.
That's when the guy was like, "We got a Chicken Express."
Western Sizzlin' though, this is sad how that's gone, because that was the place. That was the place to go. And all these.
Is that a hotel?
All these hotels, yeah. All these hotels look exactly the same. Nothing's changed. They look good, but they're just nothing's changed. I used to work here. I'm not really sure if it's still open, but that was the place to go. And now they say it's not very good, and that sucks. Going into my home's Walmart. This is where I used to work. I worked here for quite a number of years. Night shift, and we had stocked the shelves. I think it's funny because I used to work back there, and I would stock these aisles with Cokes and whatnot, and we had to restock all the aisles and help. But this was like my section where I would stock and things. But yeah, I just thought I would get a little shot of my old stomping grounds where I worked for many years here in Hope, Arkansas at the Walmart, Super Walmart. So we just got over here, and my dad was telling me about this spot right here, because this actually had stucco over it, and then it came off, and then all this stuff was exposed. This saloon here, and then we have this stuff up there on top. If I can get back and get a good view, that'd be cool. There we go. Look at that. It's pretty cool. Relieves fatigue. What is it? 5 cents. And we got drink Coca-Cola. I think that's it. That's 10 cents. I gotta. Hey, look, you're next to a Florida car there. Florida car, because we're closer to Florida than we are home. Look at this train. That's pretty cool. Hope, Arkansas. The train place. I'm coming. Here I comes. Of course, nobody cares. That's not even called that here, I don't think. The melon patch. I remember this place. I don't know.
Come back Monday? Yes, come back Monday? We come back Monday. Okay, have a good weekend.
What's the store hours?
You too.
Welcome to the Hope Visitor Information Center. 94 when they poured this slab. Wee! Be kind, baby. That's perfect.
Yeah, you can put him down right there. That's fine. But just look at the camera. You could be like.
Is you cold?
What? Hold me up. Okay.
Wow, you almost got a little ledge there, don't you? What? You're being cry on the right. Mom's Arkansas drunk. She's drunk on the humidity. Half rand. That was some good fun. Let's oh my God, you jumped on me. Elm Street. Not the nightmare. Could be here. Down on Main Street. I feel drops. The rain's trying to burst its little rain bubble. Oh, I can see everything from over here. Drink Coca-Cola, relieves fatigue, 5 cents. That's probably when it had cocaine in it, if you think about it. Oh man. You want to go hit up the thrift store and see if we can find some watermelon t-shirts or something like that? Not really. Ah! The studio. Antiques. Doom, 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 doom. Starting to rain a little bit. Right here. Yes, ma'am. This is I've been in that store more times than I can count or remember. Got my toenail removed there. Had a bunch of friends that lived down here. I loved riding my bike down that street right there because it was just a straightaway and it was never busy. We're skating. America. I used to hang out on those tracks back there. Look out, kids! You're crossing the road. What you gonna do? You're gonna get dangerous. That pond I told you that I found was back that way in these woods. It's way back there, and there's a road like kind of right here, but it's all grown up. I went back there. It was like a little dirt road. Yep. We were just talking about the guy that, one of the guys I remember from back in the day. He owned the bakery in downtown. We used to stop there all the time, take breaks, and get some donuts and things. And he knew us. He always come out and say hi. Well, he's here looking at my dad's tractor. He actually, he remembers me. He's like, I'm grown up. So it's probably pretty funny. Now he's here looking at the tractor. It's really cool. That's the tractor right there. Yep. I used to run in these fields. Horses, goats. I don't remember if we had cows or not. I think we had a few. Yeah, I think we had a few cows because I remember cow patties everywhere. Yeah, we had cows. I was too young to take care of them, but it was a nice experience to have They're back there at the pump. The pump's back there in that direction. Or no, this is the pump right here, actually. I think this is one of the wells. I think they have two wells, one for one house and one for the other house. As you can open it right here and look inside. Yeah, pump house. Some dauber things. Probably talking about the bush hog and whatnot that they got out there. That's a chicken house. That's another house. Still pretty wet out here. This is the building where we're staying in right here. That over there was the slab. That's still there from where the trailer was. It's kind of a swampy out in these parts, so